everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Sonic Rumble notification using your Android or iOS device. First of all, launch open the Sonic Rumble app on your device and from the main homepage, tap the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Customize right next to Notifications. Now you'll see the push notification and in-game notification tabs. Tap on the off button right next to each notification options to turn off notifications entirely. Soon after you do this, you will not receive any kind of a notification from Sonic Rumble. You can also go ahead and turn off your device's notification if you don't want to receive any notification from the app. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.